Hello, welcome back. My name is Audrey, if you don't know, and I just decided to do a random video of my evening. Oh, she's busy. She's so busy. Yeah. So tonight I'm gonna cook rice and chicken with plantain, whichever one, and mixed veg. It's currently almost 7. We're on the half term. It's Tuesday. So the half term, yeah, just started yesterday. So yeah, it's crunch time. I'm trying my best to survive with two kids in the day. But yeah, we're doing good. We're managing. Yeah, let's go. Hello, we back now. I've had to put her in this wrap thing so that I can do, some things. I can't exactly properly cook with her because I don't want it to burn her little head. But yeah, what I can do, I'm gonna do with her in here. It's the only way I can get stuff done. I tried to put her on my back. We call it Mereka or Babu in Shona, aka I'm from Zimbabwe. But she is yeah. So at the moment, she's not liking the back. So yeah, I'll try again soon. But not yet. She really doesn't want to put her head down. Does it mean she's outgrown this thing? I might need to have a look online because the way she's like, I'm not putting my head down. Yeah, she's not having it. But yeah, cool. We back. So my chicken is cooking. I've seasoned it with the usual. Yeah, I wasn't sure whether to make a curry or just a chicken stew. So I don't know. I think we might just go with chicken stew. Nice and quick. And yeah, little madam has asked for noodles, so I need to make her some noodles. Yep. Yeah. Today has been a good day. Today's Tuesday. We're 2 days into the half term now. I'm surviving. I'm still breathing. I'm still coping. And yeah, I'm really trying to keep her entertained. Today we went to town and she had fun playing. Yeah, that will be her first time going in the ball pit and playing as well, in a way. She was just exploring, really. But yeah, this one had a good time, using up all her energy. And then we went to Nando's, just had a quick meal with my friend. And then we also went to Primark, bought some little bits, I might show them after. And yeah, other than that, that's my day done. And really, it's really hard to do stuff while on the half term. Like, I literally can't do anything. I've got so much to do, like a whole list of stuff to do. But I work better when she's at school, I've noticed now. So yeah. Yeah, when she's back at school, I'm gonna go in, gotta grind hard. Gotta grind. You okay? Oh, bless you. Was the sleep nice? But yeah. Yeah, so I'm going through it. Like, I'm really trying to pretend like I'm working at the same time I don't have a job. Like, I was made redundant on the 31st of December. And that was my official date to stop working. And then yeah, so now I'm literally just trying my best to do loads of stuff. trying to upskill, I'm trying to sort out my CV so that when the money is looking like it's peak out here, I need to start looking. Either start looking or see other ways of making an income or a side hustle. So yeah, it's all pending right now. We'll see how it goes and where it can take us at the moment. But yeah, it's not really, it's something that I'm working at. I'm not panicking. Everything always works out. Somehow it always works out. So that's my faith, that's my, my mindset. Everything's all gonna work out somehow. It all worked out with the first time when I had my first, so it's all gonna work out this time around as well. And yeah. These are the new pots that I bought from Asda, and I'm really loving them. My old pots, the inside of them the black stuff started to come out, so I was like, ugh, is this healthy? Is this going in my food? It really creeped me out. So I had to buy new pots. These are non-sticks. I bought one big one and it came with other ones, smaller pots and a pan. And yeah, they're going well so far. Only I'm washing them in the house because, men, they just use anything to wash pots. But yeah, catch up in a bit. Peace. Okay, so my chicken is almost done. Whoop, whoop. Hot. And I'm just gonna drain up this stock that I've made, and then probably fry the chicken just a little bit, and then we're good. We're Gucci. Oh my god. Noodles. Yeah, we're good. This girl is now 11 weeks exactly, and I'm just checking the handles are cold. But yeah, this girl is now fully 11 weeks, and she still has her long naps, but she has her awake times now, and it's so cute because she's just there. She's like, guys, I want to interact now, which is adorable. She's at that stage now where she's cooing, she's watching, she's really attentive now, which is so adorable. Wow. They grew up so fast. They grew up too fast. Soon she'll be trying to crawl. We're not there yet, but soon. Very soon. And then this one, my first, lost her tooth. Ooh. Lost her tooth. It's been like 3 weeks now. So that was also another thing where you're like, oh my god, these kids just grow too quickly. You need to enjoy every moment. Like, I basically made those teeth that she has in her mouth. I basically made those. So, how can you just be growing my teeth, then losing them? Like, you know. When she first told me that her teeth were wobbly, I was like, oh my gosh, are you sure? Because she's been saying, I want braces. I want braces. So I thought she had like hurt her tooth or something, just so she can get braces. But no, that's not the case. Because now we can, I can actually see the new tooth coming out. I'm like, yeah, it was time. And then when we noticed that it was wobbly, we did book her a dentist appointment, just to see if everything's alright. And that's when the dentist confirmed himself, like, yeah, it's a wobbly tooth. So So yeah, it was just nice to get that confirmation. And he said come back in 6 months so he can check everything's good. And now we've been religiously getting her to brush her teeth twice a day, which is good. It's good. It's really good. So yeah, I'm just gonna fry up my chicken. Okay, peace out. Hello. So all cooking had to be paused. Madam said, "Come feed me now." I think her nap literally lasted. Was that not 15 minutes? But it is well. It is well. 15 to 20 minutes ish. But yeah, I've done my rice. My chicken is just chickening. And then yeah, I just need to fry my plantain and cook the mixed veg, and then we're done. And that's it from me. Oh, let me show you some of the bits that I got from Primark. Can I have that? For my little helper. This one. Yes, please. So I bought this for Madam. She's 5 and she'll be 6 soon. So I just now buy 7 to 8. I think this is really nice. I think it's nice. Only the best for her. And then I also got this top. It's cute. Just something, you know, as the weather's gonna start changing soon. But yeah. I also got more bits, but once I'm mobile again, I will show. And yeah, peace out. Hello, I am back. Okay, dinner's all set and done. I didn't really film. I forgot to put the camera on to film me dishing the end masterpiece. But yeah, it's very tantalizing. It's all done now. They're eating and I am just doing cleaning up because I hate having dishes at the end of the day in the sink. So yeah, and I'm now rocking my new glasses. I love them. They've got the anti-glare on them, so that should help me driving in the night. These were my old ones. They're quite bulky, I think. So yeah, I thought I'll go for something different. It was 2 for 1, so I got 2 of the same ones. I still really love my sunglasses, so yeah, I just told them I'll stay with those. My vision hasn't gone like extremely bad. It was just a slight upgrade, so I can still see perfectly fine in the sunglasses. But yeah, I like these. I really like these. Something different. But yeah, tune in to more videos to come. Yeah, I'll see what interests me to film, but yeah, I look forward to this. Peace out.